Hey, what's up, guys? This is Sami again here. Welcome back to Coffee Time. This is 10th of August 2023. We don't have any time. We have here a nice subject, I mean. Crypto stealer, crypto clipboard hijacker, malware. Which what is doing is does this. I say, okay, I want to make some transaction. I'm going to copy my wallet address from my other wallet address and I'm paste it here, but there are some malware function which is going to change that wallet addresses. If you take a look at this clip miner malware, it's still 1.7 million. Without further ado, let's check it out. What I want to do, last year I wrote a script in Python which is now available in my GitHub. In that we saw, before of that, let me say this is all about educational purposes. I want you to see how things working, and because we believe if we share these things, our community will get smarter and smarter and be able to defend interest. Okay, let's see how something like this works. Before of all, let me run application. I have here application. I want to say, for example, let's imagine this is just test. I'm saying, okay, I have a wallet. I want now withdraw. Let's imagine this is a wallet or this is a web page. I want now say some. For example, I want to say this is my address. Okay, this is my address, which is invalid. I say, okay, copy here, and now I want to first of all go to my email address. I say here, okay, something coming here, and this is this one. Just right now, 0 minutes ago. But look at this. I get exact the text which is there, but I want to say, I'm coming here, Etherscan. I want to say, hey Big Daddy, my application, you look at that string, because if you take a look here, all Ethereum addresses, for example, start with 0x and all are the same length, for example, like this. Okay, I want to say here in my application, if that string starts with 0x, you change it for me to what? I say here, for example, to something. I say, for example, to Armin. Okay, now let's go back to our email. We get other one, and it's changed that string to Armin because it search and say, hey, this is something like Ethereum address, and here I can say, instead of Armin, just change to real wallet. And because you won't check it anymore, you say, hey, I copy it right now, and just like this you lose money. Without further ado, let's dive back into the code and see what's the point behind this. Okay, I have here a simple form application which I made a clipboard text, which is simple copy, return clipboard copy. And here I have a button which have a text, and here I say just normal things, label, just I want to see, just, and here at the end it's send. It's called a function, which is in this case a send mail. We want to go back, and here I have convert string. Here I have a method. You say you accept a string and check it. If it start with 0x, or for example, let me say, I say bs scan, this BNB. Let's go, let's see BNB also start with 0x. Okay, 0x, and that also start with 0x, but there are some differences. Algorithm how this wallet, but in general I can say if it start with 0x, and then maybe with B is for BNB. I don't know, I have to make a research about it, but we know I'm talking about general how things happen. I say if it start with 0x and if a length is greater than 20. Okay, here, or for example, or input input dot length is greater than 20. This example, what is this? This is just example. Okay, I say if a length, if the text start with 0 and x, but the length is 5, do nothing. But here in this case I say if it start with 0x and is greater than 20 character, for example, change it to Armin wallet. Okay, you copy something at the time when you copy something, my application goes to calculate, is that my target or not? If it's hit, the target wants to call wants to come here and then send it here. Let's go back to send email function, which is main function of this. This is just an async task send email message. I have here my email which I made for this, and I have here email not password. This is generated app password, which you have to enable it. And I say receiver is this. Here is subject. I say I steal one more, and body is message, which is coming from here, and here body HTML true. Here I have SMTP client, which is this, which is standard one, port SSL client true, and here just call it voila. Let's again run it. 0x TTT. This is, for example, let's say this is my email, my wallet. I say it like this, and now let's go to our email. I'm coming now here. Look at this. Wow, we get new one. And now, guys, maybe you ask me, is this a malware? This is just in reality a malware which detected by all antiviruses, but there are techniques to make these things hidden. And I want to tell you something, guys. This is nothing safe. Nowhere is safe. When you copy, when you want to make a withdraw, or when you want to make a transaction, just check last digits or started. Just check it out more times, several times, because technology sometimes you have no idea what happened behind. But this is the case. This is just a stealer. Okay, have a nice day, guys. Stay safe and see you in the next one. Have a nice day.